A lot of the time people or families will feel that they smell chlorine. I don't know if you've been to a public pool or a friend's house where you smelled it, your skin is irritated, your eyes are red. Well, most families assume that's chlorine. There's too much chlorine, back off the chlorine. What you're actually experiencing is chloramines. It's the byproduct of chlorine attaching itself to bad stuff. Ozone takes oxygen O2, adds an oxygen molecule, O3, and it actually will naturally shock the water, naturally because it's oxygen and not chemicals, and will clear that up for you. That's something that anytime the pump is running, this is functioning. Now, that's not to say you might not shock the pool after a monsoon that hits us for 2 weeks straight, but most of the time, this is going to do it for you, so you don't even have to worry about that.